your baby mother, Aisha.
Yeah.
And you said she tried to destroy you. What did you mean by that?
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Wagon, bless upon yourself first and foremost. I will on there with the latest updates at JA. Zimmy. And today we are going to talk about where the description of the video say Spice bring our daughter and our son, our kids them at Disneyland on our daughter birthday. Zimmy. Footah hype talk some things that people never hear yet before about him and him baby mother, you see me. Also, we're going to talk about Shenseea, you see me, signed to Carib and it kind of hyped up, you see me, on the media differently. So we are kick it off with Spice daughter cause our BD. Anyways, guys, so may I take the time out for bless up Nicola Toy with our unique name, you see me. Yeah, so you don't know the vibes. The mom, which are Spice, ensure that our kids have a great day today. Not only that our daughter, cause today a fair day. Zuma guys, I'm gonna understand that every kid dream for go Disneyland or Jamaica. Well, not most, but me I share a few footage I would jump in. Yeah, people, when you don't know the vibes, subscribe, cause I never did tell you in I first off. But differently from that, if you like the video, I demand you to do that. You see me? So Spice signed to Carib beer, which are Caribbean beer, that company established in Trinidad and Tobago. You see me? Not only that, she also get a big forward differently. As you can see it on the media, cause I hear people say, "Me not drink beer, but if you a serve it, I'll take one." You see, yeah, man, people. So it look good. It's a good look. Yeah, people, if you reach this far in a video, which is not that far, but you see me, put a hype go hard on the interview, you guys. You see me. Him say him not to win a couscous again like one time, but you can hear pan film beer.
She tried to destroy you. What did you mean by that? Or she tried to done you, and you listed a few people.
Okay.
Is it because of your beliefs?
No, me and my baby mother had a situation. You know, we was together for almost 10 years. So, yeah, it was a great 10 years. It was a miserable 10 years. It was a happy 10 years. It was a disgusting 10 years. It was like a roller coaster, right? When it ended, instead of, she dealt with it in a manner that was not called for. She painted an impression of me, which is not. So even today, even like right now, if I go outside, I'm approached by people thinking that I'm this super humongous monster based on her interviews and what was said via the internet and the songs and all of that. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I'm really pissed at the after presentation. You understand what I'm saying? Like, the way I was presented to the public by her is something that I still haven't forgiven her for yet.
Really?
Yeah. Because I have to live with it. I have to live with it every day.
And so when you say you live with it every day?
Meaning like I'm going through the airport.
Mm-hmm.
People are talking, oh, see that woman beat him, this and that, blah, 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 blah. So then we have to stand up with 15 people in the airport. I explain my life. And I come back down to a situation where they say, oh, it was like that. Can we have some pictures? Oh, wait. You're totally different from what I thought. It's an everyday thing. It's been 7 years and I still cannot walk in peace, like, you know? Because I don't think people understand, you know. I am way more popular and, way more known beyond dancehall. I might go to the bank, right? And it might be a 65-year-old lady who does not attend parties and stuff like that. But she watches my YouTube videos religiously. She watches the interviews religiously. And she can, that's Footah, even when I have on my mask. And then they want to conversate, they want to know, they're looking into the situation and saying, oh, I didn't understand this and I didn't understand that. You know what I mean? For like, it's been 7 years. Sometimes I'm overwhelmed. I say, like, why people are still into this? You know what I'm saying? Because it's been gone so long. So it's something we have to live with. You understand? Not saying I was a saint and there wasn't any problems. But the way it was delivered to the public, that's not how it was. And I couldn't be.
So did you hit her? Like, did you? Because that's
we fight. I'm not going to come here and say, oh, I hate her like I'm a madman, getting up and just putting my hands on a woman.
Yeah.
I'm not like that. It's been 7 years. Have you heard any other complaint from any other females that Footah is abusive, Footah is a woman beater? No.
No, but one thing I could say, and this is one thing that I've said when the whole Major Hype situation happened, and going forward with other men in the past who they said have put their hands on women. Men need to understand, if you fight with a woman, right, and from that fight she sustains injuries from the fight, then to me that equals as abuse. Because if she slaps you across your face and you slap her, you kick her down a flight of stairs, you punch her in her nose, and from that she has a bruise, rib, broken nose, torn scalp, and you're fine. Nothing's wrong with you. I feel like that's abuse.
Oh well, I've never really said this before though, but I have cuts and bruises and stuff like that, got stitches and shit from out of my situation. But what I'm saying is the reason why I left her alone and give her the playing field, I didn't like toe to toe and continue with her, because I could have been like, every time she said something, I go say something.
Yeah.
But
I realized that you did it.
I got a son.
Yeah.
And that's his mother. In time to come, he'll know the truth. He'll understand. But I don't want him to be going on YouTube and seeing me all the time going back and forth with his mom. And if I'm supposed to talk all the stuff that I'm supposed to talk to say, okay, I won. You did this bad. That's on the public, just soothing the public. It's not soothing me, and it's not soothing her. Because at the end of the day, no matter what the public validates, I think we gotta deal with it.
So, can I say something? I realized that West Indian men, Caribbean men, whatever they want to call it, they only cherish the baby mothers. What about the women that you don't have kids with? That men can't, they break up and then they completely destroy them. They say nasty things about them and they keep the bad intentions and everything. They just keep it going.
But I'm not going to talk to you about Caribbean men. I'm going to ask you about me. Do you know of any other girlfriends or anybody else for me other than Aishana?
No.
Okay. So what you said a while ago don't apply to me, because my relationships are not public relationships. The only reason why Aishana's relationship was so public was because I embedded her in my career.